What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, looking very, very good indeed. Currently still looks as though it is coiling up for a quite a prolonged period of time here, basically. Coiling up like this, obviously throughout September, looking bearish. Coiling up again, we thought, potentially we've got a bit of a coil like this. We did break to the upside, but we have been chopping it sideways since then, forming a bit of a longer consolidation period than we probably thought that we were going to get. But overall, with the market looking very, very good over the past few days, Bitcoin going to all-time highs at 67k. Currently having a little bit of a retracement, but nothing to be too concerned about. You can see some of the money is rotating into some altcoins. We have seen Egld, we've seen VeChain, we've seen Polygon all having a bit of a move to the upside today, looking very good in general. You can see here Elrond here getting a little bit of a pickup up from around $225, currently trading at $258, basically coming back up towards the top of this coiling formation that we are starting to see quite a lot of, potentially something like this. And if we do start to break out of that, you can imagine what's going to happen next. But overall, Elrond looking very, very good indeed. We've got this A, B, C kind of movement to the upside on the macro time frame, looking really good. Obviously, if we just throw our fib retracement tool on here, as we can see, looking something like this. For some reason, it's got all messed up. I don't know why. As we can see here, we have got our fib retracement looking something like this. I don't know why, but for some reason, my fib retracement has got reset. Let me just make this a bit more. I made them a bit more see-through, so it's easier to see what's going on. So you can see here, obviously, we've got our fib levels. Elrond looking really, really good right now. The previous all-time high, what was it, $245-ish? You can see here we've been chopping it up in and around that area between this previous bit of, down towards, let's just say 200. In between the previous all-time high, between that $200 and $250 area, we have been chopping it up in this area for a good while. And obviously adhering to our fib retracements all the way down. But obviously, Elrond looking really good now. And if it does start to break to the upside, which it does look as though it might be gearing up to do over the next few weeks, we could be looking at a very, very nice price target for Elrond indeed. Obviously, if this is our pennant here, you could argue that this is the entire flag. If that's the case, then obviously we're coming up towards that 141 extension there at around 475. For up to 400, around 490, maybe $500 there, which is obviously a crazy, crazy extension, which will see resistance on the way. But obviously, if that was the case, we would be looking at a very nice little price target for Elrond on its next move to the upside. And we do think that's entirely possible considering how good this project is. So as we said, coiling up right now into the apex. Market's looking bullish overall. Alts are probably going to start seeing a lot more love over the next few days if some money does start to flow out of Bitcoin and rotate, if it goes sideways and consolidates before its next move up. And if that's the case, we could see Elrond, breaking out, back testing and heading up. So overall, we do think Elrond looking really, really good right now, back down to fair value. Histogram looking pretty flat as well. Looks as though it's coiling up for a big move. So we'll do short-term price predictions then. If we do roll over, we've got the previous all-time high of $245 as support, and the bottom of our pennant here, this little trend line, coming down to around that $230-ish area. We could see a bounce here as well. If we move to the upside and break out, we're obviously wanting that back test at around $260, heading up towards the all-time high at around 300, and then obviously breaking that, we've got our next 127 extension target at $375, and then our further extension targets you can see quite clearly here, with that big 227 extension target at around $1,700, which would be really, really nice, wouldn't it, for Elrond? A really, really good price target indeed. And we do think that, these kinds of price targets are definitely possible for Elrond. It's gearing up for a really big move, isn't it? And we do think that this could be the case pretty damn soon. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, Please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.